Does Zepbound affect your sex drive or sexual function? If you're taking Zepbound or considering it, you might be wondering whether it affects your sex drive or sexual function. It's a fair question, especially when you're experiencing significant body changes. Let me walk you through what the medical evidence actually shows. Zepbound, or tirzepatide, is an FDA-approved medication for chronic weight management. It works by activating two hormone receptors, GIP and GLP-1, which help reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness. It's an injectable medication used on a weekly schedule as prescribed, and your clinician adjusts the dose over time to help minimize side effects, especially gastrointestinal ones. Now, here's the important part about sexual function. According to FDA prescribing information and clinical trials involving over 5,000 participants, Zepbound has no established clinical link to changes in sexual desire or arousal. Sexual dysfunction wasn't reported as a significant adverse event in these studies. It's worth noting that sexual function wasn't a pre-specified endpoint in major trials, so changes may be underreported. But based on current evidence, if you're worried that the medication itself directly affects libido, the data doesn't support that concern. That said, weight loss itself can influence sexual function regardless of how you lose the weight. When your body changes significantly, several things happen. Your hormones shift, your cardiovascular health may improve, your psychological well-being often changes too. All of these factors can affect sexual health, independent of any medication you're taking. For example, weight loss can improve cardiovascular function, which may positively impact sexual health. Hormonal changes that come with weight loss might also play a role. And let's not overlook the psychological side. Many people feel more confident and comfortable in their bodies after losing weight, which can influence their sexual experiences. There's one specific sexual health consideration with Zepbound that's worth knowing about. The medication may reduce the effectiveness of oral contraceptives during initiation and after dose increases. Discuss non-oral or barrier contraception with your healthcare provider to ensure you're adequately protected. If you do notice changes in your sexual function while taking Zepbound, it's important to talk to your doctor. They can do a comprehensive evaluation, which might include reviewing all your medications and ordering relevant lab work. Sexual function is complex and influenced by many factors, including other medications, underlying health conditions, stress levels, and relationship dynamics. Your healthcare provider can help determine whether any changes you're experiencing are related to weight loss itself, other aspects of your health, or something else entirely. They might also check hormone levels or assess cardiovascular health as part of this evaluation. Remember, everyone's experience with weight loss and medication is different. What happens for one person may not happen for another. That's why personalized medical advice is so important. Never adjust your medication or stop taking it without consulting your healthcare provider first. So to recap, Zepbound doesn't have an established link to sexual dysfunction based on current clinical evidence. Weight loss itself can affect sexual function through various pathways, both physical and psychological. And if you're concerned about any changes, your doctor can help you figure out what's going on. If you're taking Zepbound or considering it, what questions do you have? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based health information.